task number 5, remediation, is part of this moniker link vulnerability, which is part of the exploitation basics room inside the cybersecurity 101 learning path. Microsoft has included patches to resolve this vulnerability in February's Patch Tuesday release. You can see a list of kilobytes articles by Office build over here. Updating Office through Windows Update in the catalog is strongly recommended. Yeah, so basically Outlook remote code execution vulnerability. We can see it over here. Yeah. All right, this is from the official docs, and here we can see the catalog, which is containing nothing. Anyway, we can see the Microsoft build over here, so you can go there and just check it out if you want. Additionally, in the meantime, it is a timely reminder to practice general safe cybersecurity practices. For example, reminding users to do not click random links, especially from unsolicited emails, preview links before clicking them, and forward suspicious emails to the respective department responsible for cybersecurity. Since this vulnerability bypasses Outlook's protect view, there is no way to reconfigure Outlook to prevent this attack. Additionally, preventing the SMB protocol entirely may do more harm than good, especially as it is essential for accessing network shares. However, you may be able to block this at the firewall level, depending on the organization. Answer the questions below. Click me to proceed on to the next task.